world chases relentless economic growth, we must ask, at what cost? A climate crisis that worsens hunger, biodiversity loss that exacerbates health risks, and water scarcity that fuels political instability. The concerning part is that these issues can't be tackled individually, and the world can no longer afford to look at them as separate problems. Namaskar. I'm Suruchi Das, and you're watching Rhythm, a groundbreaking report by the Intergovernmental Science Policy Platform on Biodiversity and Ecosystem Services, or IPBES, has revealed that the interconnectedness of five major global crises: climate change, food insecurity, biodiversity loss, water scarcity, and health risks demand urgent and unified action. The report sheds light on how the current economic model, focused primarily on growth and profit, is directly contributing to the worsening of these crises. It's clear now more than ever that an integrated approach is the only way forward. This new analysis by IPBES emphasizes the intricate web connecting these challenges. The report warns that efforts to tackle each crisis in isolation not only fail but can often exacerbate the other issues. For example, while scaling up food production to fight hunger is essential, it can increase pressure on land and water resources, further depleting biodiversity. Similarly, actions to curb climate change can inadvertently harm food security and ecosystems if not properly synchronized with other global efforts. IPBES has identified over 70 sustainable solutions that can yield positive outcomes across these five areas. Restoring carbon-rich ecosystems like forests, soils, and mangroves can help mitigate climate change, reduce health risks, and restore biodiversity. Shifting to sustainable, healthy diets and implementing nature-based solutions can alleviate the burdens on ecosystems while boosting human well-being. However, the economic incentives currently in place are heavily skewed towards activities that continue to harm biodiversity and ecosystems, to the tune of $10 to $25 trillion annually in unaccounted costs. The report makes it clear that more than half of global GDP, about $58 trillion in annual economic activity, is dependent on nature. This dependency means that the ongoing deterioration of ecosystems could lead to massive economic losses. For the first time, IPBES has issued a call for transformative shift in how we view and interact with nature. The cost of inaction is enormous, with estimates suggesting a potential $10 trillion in business opportunities and 400 million jobs that could be generated by 2030 through nature. Positive approaches. Yet, the world continues to follow a path where short-term economic growth outweighs long-term sustainability. While the report provides a detailed roadmap for action, the global strategy remains disjointed and reactive. Instead of addressing these challenges as interconnected issues, global leaders are continuing to implement piecemeal solutions that ignore the holistic nature of the crisis we face. This approach will only delay necessary actions and escalate costs: financial, environmental, and human. Jai Hind.